Deadly G3A3 assault rifle, the iconic rifle that has been a cornerstone of Pakistan's armed forces for decades. Today, we uncover the story of a weapon that is not just steel and machine. Heckler & Koch granted Pakistan an exclusive license to produce the G3A3 locally. This marked the beginning of a powerful partnership that reshaped Pakistan's small arms production capabilities. Under this agreement, Pakistan began producing the G3A3 at its state-of-the-art facilities managed by Pakistan Ordnance Factories, POF. This move not only reduced reliance on imports, but also enabled Pakistanis of the Heckler & Koch G3A3 rifle. First, we talk about the G3A3 caliber operating system and barrel length. The G3A3 is chambered for the 7.62x5 1mm NATO round. This caliber offers excellent stopping power, making it ideal for long-range engagements and effective penetration against cover. It utilizes a roller-delayed blowback system and rate of fire. The unloaded weight of the G3A3 is approximately 4.4 kilograms, 9.7 pounds. Its solid construction ensures durability. The rifle has a cyclic rate of fire of approximately 500 to 600 rounds per minute. This rate allows it to deliver both precise target acquisition. Its polymer furniture, including the pistol grip and buttstock, reduces weight and enhances user comfort. The rifle is designed with ambidextrous controls. G3A3 continues to serve with pride. Share and subscribe for more dramatic insights into the weapons and strategies that changed history.